Hey, what's up?
Hi, can I use your bathroom?
Do you really have to go?
Maybe.
I mean, we just cleaned it the other day.
Oh, really? Well, then that would mean that I could use it. Who goes to the bathroom with the door open? I have no idea.
What's so funny?
Ew. There's antiques dump in the toilet. Don't drop your...
Oh my god, what is that?
Don't drive. Keep from getting your face. You're gonna...
Oh, dude. Ew.
I'm never gonna eat ever again.
Oh, disgusting. Who did that?
It wasn't me. Culprit in that room.
He did it. He's in there. Go in and die? Of course.
Where's the dye?
It wasn't D. D-I-E. Go in and
This should
die.
be on the bathroom door.
Man, leave a warning next time.